Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about the writing task 1. So in this writing task 1, we are going to see about the table. Okay. So here question is given and the tabular column is mentioned here. So we are going to frame the pattern and then we are going to narrate the answers. We are going to discuss about the answers, how we have to write it. Okay. So the question here is given is the table shows the proportions of peoples attending 4 secondary school types between 2000 and 2009. Okay. So in between the years it's given. So in the tabular column you have 4 schools here, right? Specialist school, grammar schools, voluntary control schools and community schools. And in the year 2000, 2005 and 2000 percentage is given. So for these 4 different category schools percentage is given. Okay. So we are going to narrate the answers with this tabular column. Okay. So the pattern as we discussed earlier, we have to start with the introduction part and the overall statement and then followed by 2 body paragraph. Okay. And the duration for this writing task is given for this is 20 minutes and we have to write the words 150 to 180. So these are the formulas we have to follow. Okay. So we are first initiating with the paraphrasing the statement, that is paraphrasing the question to write the introduction. So the table shows the proportions of peoples attending 4 secondary school types between 2000 and 2009 is given. So we are starting with the table illustrates the percentage of school children attending 4 different types of secondary school from 2000 to 2009. Okay, so we paraphrase that and moving on to next. That is conclusion part, overall statement, right? So it is evident that whereas the community schools experienced a marked increase. So comparing to this for all the 4 category, we are seeing a increased proportion, that is 12, 32 and 58. So we have to mention in this overall statement, the community school experienced a marked increase. This is another keyword, marked increase in proportion of those attending their institution over the period. Is another keyword. You have to keep a vision on this. The others saw a corresponding decline. Okay, so I'm completing the overall statement here. Okay, so this is the major keywords we can use for tabular column. And then starting with the body paragraph, I'm starting with to begin. To begin, the percentage of peoples in voluntary control schools fell from just over half. Why I mentioned over half is, that is voluntary school. Voluntary school, so is 52%. So 52 will be termed as over the half. Okay, that is 52 because of the 2% exceeds. So I'm mentioning over half to only 20%. So in the 2005, it's reducing. So over off, just over off to only 20%, that is 38% is in the year of 2005. So only 38 is given here. So only 20%, that is 1/5 from 2000 to 2009. Okay, and then similarly the relative number of children in grammar school just under 1/4, that is 24%. So just under 1/4 dropped by half, that is 12%. So dropped by half in the same period. As for the specialist school, the relative small percentage of peoples attending this type of school is 12%, also fell, although not significantly. Okay, so I'm completing with this. And second paragraph, however, the other 3 types of school declined in importance. The opposite was true in the case of community schools. In fact, whereas only a small minority of 12% were educated in these schools in 2000 year. In the 2000 year, only 12% is educated. But what happened? This figure is increased to well over half of all the peoples, followed by, that is during the following 9 years. 9 years is increased to 58%. Start in 2000, only 12% for community schools. Gradually it increased to 58%. So I'm completing with this paragraphs. So the total words I mentioned here is 170 words, and these are the keywords you have to keep a vision on to narrate the answer for the tabular column. That's it. Thank you.